What is the best game engine for indie developers?
In theory, you can use an Xbox One as a game development engine, after you install the necessary software and tools.
I know Microsoft says that, and they trumpet it on the independent developers page for the Xbox. However, I want to use tools that create games for any platform, or at least ones other than Xbox One.
Unreal Engines is probably the better choice for Xbox game development, working seamlessly with DirectX. It even works well with the Persona animation system.
That's like saying HTML5 works well with CSS, when they were designed to go together.
Unity, by Unity Technologies, was designed to work with any gaming console. It works with animation suites, and OpenGL.
I've heard of OpenGL, used for vectoring and complex graphics.
It even has an add-on for developing games for the Xbox One, using the standard Xbox One machine.
I do not want to get any deeper into Microsoft's milieu than I have to.
So use Crytek's CryEngine.
I'd cry myself to sleep if I used the same game engine used to make Crysis 2. I hated that game.
The beautiful rendering is what you want to copy, not the mediocre plot. If you do not like CryEngine, look into Squid Engine.
That's only been out a few years.
Since 2009, but it works with both the Xbox One and PlayStation 4. Its greatest strength is the fast workflows, for quick game revisions.
I'd prefer something I do not have to constantly revise.
You might like Autodesk's GameWare tool to animate characters, generate lighting, build paths and do 3D.
I'd expect a company better known for its computer-aided design and 3D modeling tool for engineering projects to do decent 3D.
You could always become a registered Xbox One developer from Microsoft and get a free development kit from them.
But I do not want to develop just Xbox One games.
You could register for the Sony development kit, even getting the Sony-specific Unity version.
I'd like to work with Unity and publish to both development environments. One game, two ways to monetize it, equals multiple streams of income.
You could use Game Salad Creator to make games without coding.
As long as it works well enough that I do not have to pay someone else to alter code to control the device drivers fast enough to keep up with the action.
If you're making little games with Game Salad, you do not need to know C++ to control the audio card or sound card.
I'm not sure I trust something called a salad. It is too likely to wilt.
So use Game Maker Studio. It was even used to create Gunpoint, a top-selling indie game.
That's a recent innovation.
Actually, Game Maker Studio has been around since 2006, so it is not a flash in the pan.
Or I could try to make the next World of Warcraft.
That would be RPG Maker.
Yes, making a role-playing game.
RPG Maker stands for Role Playing Game Maker, and is a project. Look, there are lots of options out there, so go pick one.